He was telling about attacking the house, the churches on 16th May 2014. That Idiki Bishop House was attacked by congressman. This is with me. This FIR is with me. I will place on this table on record 16/5/2014. Congress people, youth Congress people, because their candidate was defeated. He is sitting there now. I don't mention the name. The person is sitting here. This FIR is here. And on 10th September 2021, the Pala Bishop was attacked by PFI. The Congress leader, now the opposition leader, he told that take a case against the bishop. The case was against the bishop. Why? The PFI people attacked the bishop house. For that, they did not take case against the PFI, but the opposition leader, Congress opposition leader, he recommended for taking case against the Bishop of Pala. How can you say about that? We will save the Munambam people. We will save the Munambam people. Narendra Modi will save the Munambam people. Only Narendra Modi can save the Munambam people. Narendra Modi, only Narendra Modi can save the Munambam people. What are you telling? You are attacking Christians, bishops in Kerala. Then you are going to North India. You are going to North India. I place this paper.